In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course to Skool. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to expand your instructional offerings, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a seamless setup process. Let's get started. First, log into your Skool account. This is your first step towards unlocking a whole new realm of interaction and education within your community. If you haven't done this before, simply access the Skool website and enter your credentials. If you encounter any trouble logging in, double-check your username and password, and don't hesitate to use the Forgot Password option if needed. Once you are successfully logged in, head over to the community where you want to create your course. Each community within Skool is like a unique space designed for focused discussions and learning experiences, so make sure you've selected the correct one for your course. Next, navigate to the Classroom tab. This is where the magic happens, as all course-related content is organized under this tab. If by any chance you don't see the Classroom tab, don't worry. It's likely just hidden and can be revealed through a few simple clicks. You will need to go to Settings, then Community, and finally, Tabs. Within this section, you have the power to enable the Classroom tab. This will ensure it's visible and ready for you to use. Now that the Classroom tab is accessible, you'll want to click on the Plus New Course button. This is the starting point of creating your course and will take you to the course setup page. Here you'll be prompted to enter all your course details. Start with the course name. It should be clear and descriptive, something that instantly tells potential learners what to expect. Following that, you'll add a course description. Take your time to draft this description. It should succinctly convey the objectives and allure of your course, capturing the interest of your audience. Next, you'll need to choose a cover image. This visual component represents your course and sets the tone for your content. Make it compelling and make sure it resonates with your course's theme. With the essentials in place, it's time to decide on access options. Skool offers several flexible access settings. You can opt to make the course open to all members, which is perfect for general education initiatives. Alternatively, you can choose to unlock the course at a specific level, or offer it as a one-time purchase. There's also an option to unlock the course after a set number of days, which can be useful for time-release content. If exclusivity is what you're after, select the private option to allow access only to specific members. Finally, with everything set, click Create or Save to finalize the setup of your course. It's worth reviewing all your settings one last time to catch any potential oversights. And there you have it. Your course is live and ready for your community to explore.